Okay, so once a file is screened, you can now download the results. So you can see here that I have 10 valid phone numbers. I don't have any invalid phone numbers, which incidentally we don't charge for, but we do check phone numbers for a certain degree of integrity. And if we don't believe it's a valid number, we'll tell you. And click on the download results button, and you've got a few options here. I can download a certificate of audit, for example, which if I show you very briefly, in case you need to prove to a client, for example, that you've screened their file against TPS, you might find this beneficial. There you go. If I just shrink that down a little bit, there you go. It gives you the file details, the date, the quantity of records that are on it, the quantity that were removed, and the quantity that were present on whichever register, in this case the TPS, that I checked. So I'm going to download the results tagged. Open it up. So okay, so if I expand those, what you'll see is next to each column, in this case the telephone column, we've inserted two columns, a result column and a result date column. So next to the telephone mobile, you've got telephone mobile result, telephone mobile register date, and so on. So reading down the results, these numbers are okay to call, these ones are empty. This file doesn't actually contain any invalid numbers, but if there was a number that was too short or too long, or that had a STD code that didn't match Ofcom's current STDs in publication, it would come up with invalid. And that's as simple as that. There you go. That's how you download your results.